Hi Ray, thank you for the login logout functionality. It seems to be working well, so that's great. Moving on, there are some issues with the redirection of the pages once I log in, so I'll just go through that now. If I log in with the developer and admin as the password, and then wait for it to log in, it goes to the home page, scenicgems.com. But what I would like to do is get it to go to this /map page. Now the map page, I've tried to set it up. So if I go into members settings, where is it? Let me quickly, I'll just pause the video and come back. Okay, so I've found the setting. After login page, optional, I've got /map. This is in the settings under the pages forms settings tab. And it says members will be redirected to this page after a successful login. This option is only used if you have not specified a redirection page in the membership level configuration for a particular membership level. So I'll just pause the video and I'll show you where this specification is. So I've just gone to membership level, and you can see manage access levels, the Australia level, redirect after login, /map. So I've got it in both places. In the members section, the actual membership that I'm logging in with, developer and admin, the membership level is Australia. So I'm logging into the correct membership level as far as I know. So coming back to this global after login page setting, as once again, this option is only used if you've not specified a redirection page in the membership level configuration for a particular membership level. I have done that. I've also specified it here, so perhaps the login page, WP eMember works with a traditional whole page that is used for logging in, not the fancy box pop-up. So maybe there's some issue there. So that's it in a nutshell. Like, that's the information that I can provide you with. If you could have a look and get the membership level to redirect to the map after a login, that would be the next step to take. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.